So a lot of people want to know how to record their screens, especially when they need to teach someone something. Most people are confused with it. They don't know how to do it. They see it, they see people doing it, and they also want to know how they can teach people using their phones without having to put a camera directly on their phones to do this. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to record your screen without installing any app. For most phones, especially Androids and iPhones, they come with factory fitted screen recorder. Most people don't know that it exists. A lot of phones have factory fitted screen recorders, but you don't know how to locate it. Now, if you are an Android user, here is how to locate your own screen recorder. So just go to your phone and swipe it down. Swipe this from top down. Once you swipe it down, you will see on the notification bar where you have your Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and other things depending on what came with your phone. So you want to look at it and see where you have screen recorder. So once you see the screen recorder, what you want to do is to click on it. That is what you want to do. You want to click on the screen recorder. So this is what happens after you must have clicked on your screen recorder. Just swipe down on your phone. Swipe down, you locate your screen recorder. Once you locate it, it automatically starts working. For some people, it may not start working immediately. So here is what may happen. It may ask you, it may ask you to pick if you want voice screening or just sound. So for some people, depending on what you want, you may take voice screening or you allow it to make sound. So if you just want just the sound, you don't want to see anything, you click on it and that is how it works. So if it brings you the option of choosing between silent screening or voiced screening, you can then pick one. Just pick your choice. When they say silent screening, it means you don't want to talk, but you want to show what is being done. So you're just doing a step by step process of what is being done, but you are not actually showing it. You are not showing it. So you can do that. I've stopped the video, it is still recording. So once you start to recording, you can then start teaching what you want to teach. So assuming you are teaching someone how to use WhatsApp, you go to your WhatsApp, you teach the person what to do. You can actually teach the person what to do, or you go to another place, you want to teach them something from your gallery, depending on whatsoever it is. You can just pick an app on your phone and teach on how to do it. So you can teach people with this simple to use screen recorder that is on your phone. So for this, you don't need to install anything. You don't need to install anything. You can teach someone how to do Canva using this. You can actually teach how to edit videos. You can teach how to use Instagram. You can teach how to use Facebook. You can teach how to do whatsoever it is you want to teach the person how to do. You can also, while doing a screen record, you can record another phone. Yes, you can actually do a video of another phone while you are doing a screen recording. You can do a video of another phone. You can do virtually everything on this. You can do almost anything on this. So you see, you can do this, you can check different sites and teach. So you can actually do other things while you are recording using your screenshots or your screen record on your phone. So you can teach people anything. So I can search for this and the person is also seeing it. So you can actually do a lot of things with this. So let me stop, go out of camera, it has saved, and this is it. So you can just stop this. So let me show you some videos that I have done while I was doing screen recording. So let's see. So this is
Hi. So a lot of people
so
want
you
to
can
know
see
how
it's
to
playing.
record their
So it's playing. You can do a lot of things while you are doing your screen record. You can do a lot of things. You can go to your pictures. You can pick pictures. So you want to show someone something, you want to teach them, you want to them to be able to do different things, you can do it with your screen recorder from your phone. So I hope you have learned something today. If you have, please kindly subscribe to my channel, like it, and comment. Please remember to leave a comment and also hit the notification bell so you get notified anytime I drop a new video. Thank you.